Boys Garage, back here with a couple tips on taking care of your lawn during a heat wave. Obviously there's tips like mow a little higher during the summer when it's hot. Will help kind of shade the ground a little bit and keep the soil cooler. Right now it's like 95 for the high, heat index in the triple digits. You don't want to be using any herbicides on your grass or even fertilizer for that matter. You're really just better off not touching the lawn at all. Another less obvious thing to do is sharpen your blades. My grass is still growing pretty rapidly during these conditions. See some evidence of a little bit of disease down in here. We just came out of some really wet times and go right into this hot heat and humidity. That's really tough on the turf, but I have just recently sharpened the blades, and this is something that not many, if we can get this to focus, that is a blade of grass that had been cut with the blades prior to sharpening, and it's really torn and ripped up at the end, if we can get the focus. But you can see that brown tip. Not only does that brown tip look bad when the whole lawn has them, but just like, you know, human skin really for that matter, if you get cut clean, you can sort of seal up much faster. And if it's kind of ripped like this, your grass is losing a lot of moisture trying to heal and close, you know, that wound, if you will. If you get down here a little closer, and I can pull one of these, this was cut a couple of days ago after sharpening. So we can get the focus. There we go. And it's just a much cleaner cut, and it's really important. You don't want to lose any more moisture than absolutely necessary, so make sure your blades are sharp.